Today at Mob House PunBoxing, we have something so black you'll need this to find your way back. And since it's fragile, we're gonna stab it a few times to make sure that it's dead. And then you rip out the side and take it out. That's what she said. But if it doesn't come out and it's stubborn, you'll need a knife. I hope that's not what she said, but okay. Wow, I need to go back to the gym. Black plastic also cannot open. What is this IPH thing? Ipoh. Huh? This thing from Ipoh meh? Must be Ipoh people playing hard to get. But you see the compass? That's why I said you need this to find your way back. Now we just open the side and take it out from the box. It's protected because you always need to wear protection. Now, I'm gonna show you this solid thing, but I'm gonna put it on the side first and then show you the stand because you start with the small thing first. This is the clamp that clamps to the table. It's very solid, made from aluminum, very thick aluminum, very black, just like you like it. Now let's check out the instructions manual. Just kidding. So let's check out this black thing. Wow, very long, very strong. You need to play with it with both hands. Very strong that you'll need a tension ring to even bend it a little. If not, it won't bend. It will just be stiff and black. Yeah, not very useful if it's like that. So how to install this to the table? You just need to put the G-clamp and then you just screw it and make sure that it's secure so you don't wobble around and feng lei feng hoi. Now you put in the pin into the hole. Yeah, I swear this is not supposed to be hams up, but I don't think I have a choice with something so black and so solid. You see this mic? You'll need to mount it on with the screw there. You just put it and then you screw it. Hey Simon, faster lah. Hey, we don't have all day leh. Can you do properly please? Oi! Finally, he's done. You see all these tabs? It's there for you to put your cable inside and then you can secure them. If you spend so much money on a mic stand, you make sure that your cable management game is powerful, bro. If not, what for, right? Nice. Then, it's all done. Check out the detail. Whoa, see this B-roll? Simon, not bad your job. Good job. Okay, now we have the blue compass mic stand, priced at 420 ringgit or $99 US. It is black, it is strong, it can hold a lot of weight. You see, it doesn't even move once I put it in place. So if you got money, buy this. If you don't have money, don't talk to me because I don't want to be your friend. So if you think this video is so funny until your teeth laugh until come out, don't forget to like and share and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this. Leave a comment down below to let us know what kind of weird you want us to unbox next. And we'll see you in the next Mob House PunBoxing. Bye bye. Ta-da.